McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Hey, McBrown's kitchen behind the scenes and emotional. Me did to make the name your friend Miss Flavour. McBrown's kitchen this year, your sister name a different cry. They say you're behind the scenes. Your person who said yes, if I program near Timmy de Bremono. Your track in Ebano. And to know Mundi Mechi, na your usher track ni in. This year, the young fan come for Fabio. You're the rat studio because everyone have ever be fear no Hana space in New York. A studio, you're for a Hara studio.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
No, but for a Nyomanani, you know, they say track ni be si na enkrofo ya boafo no mo baboaye no ye yi new man no enti kasa prekofo awake purify water for na omo so yasene no omo t-shirt and I share gentleman ni wa ha no the Empress and all friend the Empress Papa Nana Aman McBrown. Nana Aman McBrown, Empress 1, and I want Nana Princess back of oh, hello, Empress. Welcome.
McBrown's kitchen. Get to Kano, get it bow.
The kind of buy 8 no I do her. Now be them I'll change the crew.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Table for ye sponsors nyoma na ye hye wa ha no ti sei na ye no so ho e sha sia na ya hye ya boafo nyoma ni nyina e wo set no ma ya ma ye nimu ti sei no boys na ye hye no we delay macron no ha wake for so na e wo ho no budgets for oil and also na ye hye wo ho no ti bibia e wi ana ye de drinks ni ade a hye ye fridge na o ma ya ma so ho.
The idea last week same thing I used to say as one over.
I was say finding out positions that omo ye need the omo ye de boa McBrown's kitchen dwumadi no. Iti hello.
Hi.
What your friend was saying?
Your friend Fusini Mamudu, but do one ankasa friend me Fuzi.
Fuzi. Oh, okay. Iti Fuzi say wono dey na we ye e de boa McBrown's kitchen dwumadi no.
Well, ye na ye share, you make sure say nyaman nyina ya share no fine.
Okay.
Bibia I was saying to baby I was saying to.
Okay.
Anytime be able have ya. Say na nyaman ya share no. I was saying share no sa. Say ensem. Ensem be na say asesa ejumale.
Enti Fusini na ene na kasa no ne Pacho you your friend say.
We didn't do any black man.
Hey, Obibini black man pa. Sa oh. No Bibini black man Pacho what you man say?
Said the many kai na making sure say kai mu preparation settings for the cook and everything no is done well. It's in before measure do and say ingredients ni bibia equipment bibia be use kan mu bia no na making sure say everything is set before the shoot begins. Yeah.
All right, so Bibini black man here that was sit say only akasa. To my Pacho friend say.
Me, you're from Niade.
Niade. Oh, okay. Enti Niade opposition e was set you see a day.
Say yeah, about 6 or 7 camera works wa. Me can camera guys.
Okay.
Patron.
Oh. Pacho your friend say.
Your friend me Yausifa.
Yausifa. Enti Yausifa also opposition wa McBrown's kitchen set no say.
Me DOP.
DOP Pacho yenti ase.
Okay, DOP ne director of photography.
Okay.
Yeah. 5 cameras near edge more.
Okay.
Basically, no, me na me feel money so.
Now make sure so be aye
Obia won edge more, but in general, no, me na me feel. I go say We dear.
Okay. All right, Masifa. Okay, yeah, that's so near to chinkomo. And maybe your crochet empress ye ni makeup. But some crochet said in who see fire afa.
McBrown's
Hello,
kitchen.
Empress. Actually, your TV bar. Behind the scenes, for you said yeah, Empress or getting ready. Yeah. Come on, my end. Empress, say hello to my camera.
McBrown's kitchen.
Sister, what your friend say? Okay, Rafa, until now, okay, Rafa, until Mr. My Empress, no, on your extra beautiful, said your thing. Yes, I know what's a mechanic.
McBrown's kitchen.
We are ready for the guests. Thank you, Santos. I'm looking. Hello, everyone. We are shooting the next 10 minutes. Our guests will be here soon. Hi. This is McBrown's kitchen. Sound, Baba. Who's that? Who's the camera sound? We are not here for home. We are not here.
How are you feeling, my love? You look so beautiful. How are you feeling? Are you ready for us?
I feel so good. My breath kitchen. Hey, you're not bad. Mama, my mom pie. All right, want me a mom pie. Yeah, that was sick. So good. I don't redeem me a mom pie. Amen.
You are the best.
McBrown's kitchen.
You are the best.
McBrown's kitchen.
You are the best.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Hello.
Hi.
Joe Mettle is in the building.
Nana McBrown too is in the
Nana,
building.
we've seen you already.
Like she's the host.
You're funny that. It's one of your special guests. One of your special guests. It's welcome to McBrown's kitchen.
Thank you.
It's energy and now. By any contour. Now
Oh yeah.
Oh really? Oh okay.
She said me that
The video you nine video. It's a that when I'm a judge. It's
When I'm
no more beer who say we're Judge one back
when I walk out, but almost TV no more than 2 months.
But I can't watch TV in so.
Say
All right, it's no. Yeah, my baby son. Okay, my Michael will need it.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Quiet. Sound.
McBrown's kitchen.
Action.
Hello, Busiafo. Me need Nana Aman McBrown. McBrown's kitchen. Edianepa. Busiafo. And then my guest here. Me need no baba Ediane. Mr. DJ, what me track train no. Hallelujah. Oh yes. Oh, Busiafo. Everybody guys here. Joe. Nadia. I'm in the spirit. Hallelujah.
Tino, and now who's on Hona, Omoye, set up ni bibia to say ya cut it because I was said you are in the Timinua Kakra and Sana ya Twaso.
So far, yeah, tremor for an abon kakra like it. And then from there, the other ingredients will be soon and they are soup.
Empress, Bibi, are you okay?
Bibi, are you okay? Bibi, are fine. The new season here, and they are chassis. Every McBrown's kitchen. Yafa and somebody on the kind of Shamia, minimum as Greg. Some catch also when you mean. Marcus when you mean. Greg, what about McBrown's kitchen? Greg underscore Kojo underscore Archery.
McBrown's kitchen.
I was your phone to say no, you're show no, Oma no Jan in every Oma did ye. Now your guest that and then Obetisti Adriano, Greg, or your Instagram fan, and it didn't see your friends and Greg underscore Kwejo_Ochre. Okay, Auntie Greg, how did you find the whole show? How was your experience like?
It was fun. It was fun because McBrown Kitchen will be say number one. So I was excited, say like I'm a friend because mommy Empress you'll be like me follow no and me share no Minister Joe Mettle like a manager and I know we're doing so on so a day very nice me that's it. Thank you for having me.
You say I'm our chedia for February and also how do you find it?
There be there just a show in Kuan so that McBrown Kitchen as say ordain fans and so you follow no or the and so a band show you so na yen so yaba be experience near Ecoso studio behind the scene you only Ecoso no made that McBrown Kitchen as say so our gift to your media mammy and Borges olive oil into me say Madam say McBrown Kitchen.
Okay, Greg, that was so by
McBrown's Kitchen.
It's Mr. Joe Mettle and I'm in a case. Say one word in the where this way we and cinema who's any mood necessary mood not the bar first and yeah no one your woman. It's Mr. Joe Mettle. What is the difference between time I'll buy and how you were feeling and now what did you real so how are you feeling? Who's asking when your energy different? But we are and I feel feeling nice because me who's a Janet the may be very nice.
So I guess you're still trying to get it right. Once you get it right, you feel confident. So it was good. It was good.
Okay. And to know you who say I'm out give to Super Brave from all our sponsors.
I think it's a nice show, nice production crew. It made me comfortable to be able to, enjoy the show. So it was good.
And our gifts, you didn't talk about.
I like it. I like the gifts. I really love it. The utensil, the drinks, the oil, everything. At least they can eat vegetables now. My ready. Thank you. Thank you to McBrown's Kitchen for the gift and the time here.
All right, so thank you so much. Your friend me, Miss Flavour. Well, media casa di Eugenia is Siama.
McBrown's Kitchen.